Dashcam Madness. Submit your clips below. Enjoy the video. Maybe there should be an IQ requirement on the driver's license test. I don't think you can drive there, mate. Witnessed a dramatic accident today and I, unfortunately, hit second-handedly. Well, that'll wake you up. I don't see a deer crossing sign. My wife says I'm an idiot.
Oh my god! Oh my god, I just hit the shit out of a bear.
Are you serious?
Oh my god.
Good thing that video cut off. I was in another dimension.
God damn it!
This is a reminder to always pay attention to your pets and children near the road.
咩事啊？
狗啊！
哦，隻狗啊！
係啊！
我睇唔到咧。
This red light runner bones an innocent motorist.
Nusby looks horrified. Two television hosts
Shit!
telling him congratulations.
Saved from an insurance scammer by the Dashcam today. There are a lot of things I can fix, but stupid isn't one of them. Finally, a Mercedes driver using turn signals. I was just minding my own business and this happens. Comment if you know where this is. What do you think happened here? Switch to a different lane. Safely, please. Local motorcyclist gets hit by a lady paying attention to her dogs in the back seat. The quality of this clip is almost as bad as the person's vision.
Whoa! I'm all good. Whew.
Is the car responsible or the motorcyclist? Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe and check out our other videos and submit your own clips below. We are a new channel, so your support is greatly appreciated.